How to upload sounds to Discord Soundboard. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this because it's actually super easy to do. So yeah, let's get started. So over here I have a server. As you can see, this is just a random test server on this account. Now there are actually two ways in order to add something to your soundboard. Now, the very first one is the easiest one, is simply go to your server settings, and then here in Soundboard you can actually upload a sound. So if you click on here, you can actually upload a sound. Now I currently don't even have any sounds, so yeah. Now the second way to do this is simply join a voice channel. So it can be any voice channel you would like. Now over here, 4 buttons. Now here is the open soundboard button. Here you have all of the default Discord sounds, and even you can even see all of the sounds from other servers as well. If you have Discord Nitro, you can even use those outside of that specific server, which is actually pretty cool. Now over here you can already see add sound. So here you can also add a sound. So here you can choose a file, which I'm going to do real quick. Now keep in mind that the file should be MP3, so not a WAV file. 512 KB max and up to 5 seconds. Now you can preview it as well. You can even make this longer or shorter. And here is the file name, and then you can also give the sound a name. So I'm just going to call it this, and then give it a name, and then upload this just like that. Now I currently have 7 slots out of 8 available. Now here I can actually upload more sounds, but like it says, up to 8. Now do keep in mind though that if you have server boosters, that once you have level 1, which is only 2 boosts, should be very easy, you can have 24 soundboard slots. So that's actually very nice. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.